Mga kaibigan, isang magandang gabi here in the Philippines. Good evening. I am here today mga kaibigan just to reiterate some informations regarding for those who are questioning and raises for that questions. For the prices of crypto and the market right now. Mga kaibigan, it is I am not an expert here to discuss all about this. At by the way, just to understand our chopper here, which is helicopter, because we don't have enough money to buy a split type of an aircon. We use clip-on here as to very minimal in current consumption, mga kaibigan, or the voltage, mga kaibigan. So I am here, when we say a crypto, it's considered called a blockchain of command. It is called a decentralized computers programs, mga kaibigan. When we say programs, it is called programs in which there is a one who manage on that kinds of system. So it is called a first crypto was established and was being be programmed by Satoshi Nakamoto, mga kaibigan, which is the unknown name behind of it in the blockchains of command. So it is called a chains of blocks, mga kaibigan. So it is called a Bitcoin. The most popular crypto, when we say crypto, it is a family. Bitcoin is one of the part of the crypto also, mga kaibigan. Not all crypto is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the most popular and the first crypto was created. That is all about the history of the crypto, for your informations about that. So when we see called crypto in the crypto market right now, it is a program. It is a virtual, no, it is a virtual commands that is put in this the highly civilized technology right now. So Bitcoin is the most popular crypto in the crypto market, in the crypto industry right now. The price before is nothing, parang useless, no? It's all about useless about that. So time has come. BTC was used into the market by payment in the cashless society. When you see in cashless society, you can endorse this type of payment towards the without a physical money, mga kaibigan. When we say BTC, it is called Bitcoin. Bitcoin, mga kaibigan, it is a crypto. The price before is all about nothing. Time has come in 2016, in 2013, in 2014, the prices was go high. And until now, this recent, this all about 8:45 p.m. of this May 2025 that I searched the price of the BTC equivalent to the Philippine money. It's all about 5.3 million each, mga kaibigan. So when we say Bitcoin, it is called a decentralized currency circulating in the market right now. It's all about 21 million in over whole world, no? Around the world, only has a 21 million of BTC. That is very very demand compared to the new born crypto industry. There is a lot of crypto coins right now. So mga kaibigan, just I have told you earlier that when we see millions of coins that we have, it is not all about the money. it's all about the Bitcoin or prices, or it is the numbers of the coins that you can buy and installed, mga kaibigan, just to keep it for a long time in your wallet, mga kaibigan. When we say crypto, there is no scammer in crypto, mga kaibigan. It's only the people who encourage you to invest because the BTC is the prices is high. Who among you here to see about that? It's the very exaggerating, mga kaibigan. Do not trust that kinds of thinking of individuals who encouraging you to invest. Do not trust. Who among the traders here to invest, encouraging other people to invest, that the price of the BTC is very high in the market right now? How would you gain in your trading? So that is, as a friendly, brotherhoodly advice, do not invest the money into the crypto market, in the crypto industry that you do not know first. Just study first and invest the money that you can afford to lose, mga kaibigan. That is most very important thing for you to invest that kinds of in the market. Try to understand first. Even me, I am continuing to study at the market right now. But I am not an expert here to discuss about this. But I am encouraging and to listen some of those people who are willing to invest this money, because my money, the small earning, my honest earn money in my salary, because I have a job, mga kaibigan. Some of them I will be invested into crypto, and some of them was invested into the stock market, and many others into the forex and etc. and many others, mga kaibigan. I bought the land, some others out there, mga kaibigan. So I don't have enough money. I don't have money in my wallet. I don't have money in my pocket right now. But I have invested into the crypto for the future of my children, my wife, me, and my family that I build right now, mga kaibigan. Because when time has come, during the time when I be hospitalized and get into the major operations of my what they call disease that I have, mga kaibigan, because I am going to the hospitalized at in 2023, mga kaibigan. That is 2 years ago that I have a 24 taker of the operations, mga kaibigan. So that's why if I don't have money that time, so our life will be not be survived, because we don't have money to pay the doctors, the hospitals, and the medicines that we intake, mga kaibigan. Money is the most very important thing in life. But do not love the money above all, only God. Just use the money, expend the money in order for you to recognize the value of it. Just invest the money into crypto, brotherhoodly advice. Just stay to study first.